But to really have a handle, right, on what need-based aid is, we have to get our bearings on a couple of the key definitions here. And the first key definition is cost of attendance. What in the world is cost of attendance? What does that include? What does that not include? Well, I'm glad you asked. So cost of attendance is the all-in cost for 1 year on campus for one of your students, okay? It's often referred to as sticker price, all right? Let's take a look at a couple of colleges' costs of attendance. Now, cost of attendance includes tuition and room and board and fees, and the meal plan, which is usually a part of room and board. So all of the fees and costs that could be associated with college books, right, is all a part of this cost of attendance estimate. And emphasis on the fact that costs of attendance are estimates. So let's look at the cost of attendance at Harvard. So here it is. They're going to give you the full breakdown, right? At Harvard, tuition is $52,659. The fees are estimated at $4,600. Room is $12,056, and board is roughly $7,500. So the subtotal here is $76,763. And then there's a $3,500 estimate for personal expenses, which we also then add to an estimate of travel costs, which can be anywhere from $0 to $4,100 in Harvard's opinion, giving us a grand sticker price total of $80,263 to as much as $84,413 for the academic year 2022 to 2023. All right, so that's how cost of attendance breaks down. Let's take a look at another college, UCLA, here in California. Okay, so a public college, not a private college, but it's going to give you two breakdowns, right? One breakdown for in-state California residents and another breakdown for out-of-state residents who come to learn at UCLA as undergraduates. So here is the in-state California residents total, right? So 37,448 per year, right? These are all per year figures, cost of attendance. And the out-of-state total is 68,474. What's the major difference here? Well, out-of-state residents pay an additional $31,026 because that's their out-of-state tuition. And the fees break down up here. So, university fees, almost $14,000, room and board, $17,000, books and supplies, about $1,500, transportation, about $600, personal expenses, about $1,500, health insurance, about $3,000. And then loan fees here aren't even a part of the cost of attendance. So you're going to have to also budget some of that in. Well, that's after the fact, right? After you take out the loans and things like that. So just be aware, costs of attendance are estimates, and there's roughly a 3 to 5% margin of error. And if your student's really thrifty, you could pay a little under cost of attendance if you had to pay sticker price. If your student's not thrifty at all, you might end up paying that 3 to 5% margin of error above the cost of attendance.